Hey guys, it's me Tala Shabbir here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy the UFit band on the 29th of July, which is being held as the first flash sale for the UFit band. So let's get started. So first of all we need to open the product page. I'm leaving the link in the description below for the product page. So let's just open the product page. Just open it and copy, minimize it, and fire up my browser and paste and go. I've pasted the link, the UFit band link, and the product page actually. As you can see, UFit, and here it is, UFit, your lifestyle companion. Actually, it is the best uh, fitness band under 1,000 rupees. It's much better than Mi band because it has a OLED display. The Mi Fit band, Mi band doesn't allow all that. It doesn't even have a display. It is having only 3 LED lights which display the, I think, the battery only. But and this is way better than that. It is the Mi Fit band is also water resistant. It is also water resistant. It is having a touch display, and it can also be made hands free using gestures and everything. Fitness sleep, all these features are included in the UFit app, which you can download when you buy the UFit fitness band, or you can only also download it before buying the UFit band, but that will be no use to you. So leaving that, so let's just register for the sale. You can see here where we can see a big blue button saying register now. Just click on that. Actually you can click on the whole of page. Is the whole image is a hyperlink. So here is my password is saved. Sign in using our secure server. How secure is the server? I don't know. You can see it will open. A new page will open. So here, as you can see, I have not actually subscribed for the UFit band. I don't remember. I might have subscribed for it, but the process for subscription is actually very easy. Just click on the register now button, enter your password and email. If you are having it saved, it will automatically be entered, and just click on sign in user secure server, and there is your message, subscription successful. So that's in this part of this video I will show you how to synchronize your clock with the internet time. So if you open the page much before, that's good for you, but if you open the page late, that is before the after the sale, that is bad for you, because you will not be able to buy your product or the UFit band. So just change date and time settings. First of all, open your clock, then click on change time settings, click on internet time, change settings, uh, configure internet time settings, server, a whole list of server. Just click on time.news.government because it's Indian, and all the websites, all the online e-commerce websites are just synchronized with this and server. Click on update now. Please wait while Windows synchronizes. The clock was successfully synchronized with time.news.government on 24/7/2015 at 9:55 a.m. Click on OK, and again click on OK. So this in this part I showed you how to synchronize the clock, and in the next part I will show you how to enable the script which you will be using to automatically buy the UFit band. Hey guys, it's me Tala Shabbir, and in this part of this video I will show you how to enable the script which you can use to automatically buy the UFit band. So let's just open our settings. After opening settings, just open the settings of your respective browser, and after opening settings, click on extensions over here, the left corner in Google Chrome, beneath Chrome. Just disable developer options if you have enabled them. Disable all the extensions which you have enabled. You will automatically see the extensions are going over from there. As you can see, all the extensions have been disabled, so I just close the page and reload the page. the page is reloaded now, and the page is reloaded without the extensions being enabled. So let's open settings, sorry, let's open inspect element. You can do it by control shift I or right click and the lowest option. So I do it by control shift I. Sorry, I just opened it. Control shift I. So as you can see, the inspect element has been loaded, and click on console to open console, and copy the script from the down in the description below. Just paste it over there and press at. So make sure that you press the enter button at 11:55 p.m. as the sale will begin at 12 p.m. of afternoon, and if you reload the page after enabling the script, the whole page will be reloaded and the script will be gone. So that will be a whole mess. Enabling the script again, opening inspect element, blah blah blah. So let's press enter. As you can see, the script is working. That means it is making sure that you get a UFIT band add in your cart on the sale day successfully. UFIT band in your cart successfully on the sale day. So that's all for this video, guys. Please smash the like button below and please subscribe to my channel. This is Tala Shabir signing off.